Hello friends, this is Ghulam Mustafa. In this video, I will show you how you can get the coordinates northing easting using the AutoCAD for survey layout. Because you cannot get the coordinates directly in this corners for survey layout. So you have to download one small file, this file name LSP. So this file you can get in the description. In this video, I already put one link there. You can download this small file from the description in your desktop. Then you can have to download or insert this file in your CAD file. You can insert this file in your CAD file with two ways. One, you can catch this file, drag in your AutoCAD. Secondly, you can click here, give AP command and enter. You can see a search where you put this file in your PC. Then you can click here and load here on your PC. After that, now you can see here in this file I make NE northing easting. So you can use this command NE enter and click where you want to get your coordinate. Click here, you can see coordinate came. Then you can click here, coordinate came here. So like this you can get each point coordinate what you want for survey layout. So if you are working on the road like this and you want to get coordinate, so this road you have already coordinate and you want to other point some missed, so NE then enter, you can get also coordinate like this. See, you can here. So but must you have to insert this small file which I told you, this LSP. This one you can download my video description, already I put link there. So in next video, if you have already some coordinate, I will show you how you will draw layout for your plot or your land. So thank you so much. See you in the next video.